Good day, everyone. When we hear the word corruption, we often think of politicians stealing money or big scandal in the news. But corruption isn't just about them, it's about us too. It's in every brave, every dishonest act, every time we stay silent when we should speak up. Corruption is one of the biggest reasons our country struggles. It's still not only money, but opportunities. The chance for a child to study, for workers to earn fairly, for citizens to trust their leaders. Because of corruptions, hospitals run out of medicines, roads stays broken, and people lose faith in the systems. When we accept it as normal, we become part of the problem. Fighting corruption doesn't start with laws, it starts with us. It starts with honest courage and saying no to what's wrong, even when it's hard. If every one of us chose integrity, we build a society where fairness isn't a dream, it's a reality.